Hi, Paul here. It is May 21st. We're kind of late in the afternoon here. I'm the Spaulding Team, by the way, team leader. Late in the afternoon here, 3:25, so that everything ought to be pretty up to date on what's new on the market. So let's see what's going on here. Low end and high end. Today we have 74,995 two-story condo, 816 square feet, one bedroom, one bath, built in '63. So what do we got? Okay, yeah, got some nice bars on the windows and doors. Besides that, looks pretty clean. Over on Royal Crest, 20 and Swenson, over by the airport there. Okay, cool. By the university. Now let's go down to the highest price today. A lot of properties on the market here. $1,000,001 over on Anna Marie. Interesting. Those wild colors. Just checking out the backyard. No pool, no spa. Okay, nice drone shot here into the cul-de-sac for $1,000,001, 5,200 square feet. Interesting. Okay. Then we have this property out of the area. For Pirates Cove. Unit 1005. Oh, pretty nice flooring. For $99,900. Interesting. 600 square feet, one bedroom, one bath, built in '87. Okay. Let's go into the next one here. 250. Wow. Okay, so we had this property over here on Horizon Light Court. Very contemporary. Pretty interesting. Okay, Horizon Light Court. Yep. Right by the Target there. It's up a couple of streets. Okay. Alright, well that's that. Let's go over to under contract. We have what, 11, 14, 541 properties under contract. Sold. The lowest priced one, or highest priced one today. Let's see. The other direction here. 75,000. Condo out in Lake Mead. Lake Mead and Hollywood. Okay. Rough. All these closed today. Springfield. It's a nice house. Very busy backyard, lots of stuff going on. And that is Valley Verde and a windmill. Okay, pretty cool. 890,000. All right, so let's do the little searchy poo. More houses with pools that have gone into escrow in the last couple of days. Pools, 55 total, and that's anywhere from 80,000 up to 1.6 million. Alright, well that's what's going on there. Islesworth, Jada, Blair Gallery, Echo Creek, Islesworth, Yapiana, Bella Luna, Royal Fortuna. Okay, well, guess it's going to be a quick one today because of that, and I guess I'll talk to you tomorrow. You have a great day.